Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to create a Capital One online banking account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. How to create an online bank account on Capital One Banking. First open up a preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in capital1.com like this and hit enter. After landing on the home page, you can see this is the home page of Capital One. You can see the setup online access option or the button available over here just below the sign in. Click on setup online access, and after that, after landing on this page, enter your last name over here, and after that, enter your social security number or ITIN over here. Enter your date of birth over here and click on get started, and then you'll be directed to the page where you will be required to fill out another details required by the Capital One banking online banking service. And guys, this is how you sign up for Capital One Bank online. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.